Good morning everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful, beautiful day. I'm vlogging today as you can see here, and today is going to be a really fun day. It's actually going to be super chill. We're going to go to the cafe, we're going to get breakfast, we may go to the supermarket, I'm not entirely sure yet. But today I thought it'd be fun to have Raf, my Italian fiance, speak to me in Italian, only in Italian, for 24 hours. I can understand Italian. I'm not fluent by any stretch of the imagination, so we're gonna see how this goes. I hope I can understand him.
Basta inglese, solo italiano, italiano.
Oh, he said stop English,
Sì.
only Italian.
Sì.
Yeah, well, I understood that. I'll try to speak back in Italian as much as I can, but I don't know if that's gonna work very well. But we're gonna go and he's gonna only speak to me in Italian for 24 hours, yes?
Sì, andiamo a mangiare.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat. Okay, I'll take you with me. And what did you get today?
Un gelato.
Oh, I've already forgot we're doing this. I already forgot. Okay, un gelato.
Un gelato, coppetta gelato, con zuppa inglese e panna.
Ah, very nice. And I got un cappuccino.
Sì.
E un rollo.
Rollò. Sì.
Anyway, it's basically just a pastry with bechamel sauce in it. It's so good. And then a cappuccino.
Sì.
We are back home now, and we went to the supermarket. Well, okay, I tried to go to the supermarket, but it was closed because I forgot it's Sunday, and nearly everything is closed on Sundays in Italy. So I forgot, but that's okay. I can get what I needed tomorrow. I've done my hair, I straightened it, I did something decent to it instead of pulling it up in a ponytail. Now we're just gonna hang out. Today's gonna be a chill day. Raf got his video uploaded yesterday. If you haven't seen his new video, you should totally go to his channel, Metatron, and watch it because it's super good. We're just going to play games and chill for the rest of the day. I really want to get a new game. I don't know what I want though. I've been playing Miitopia like crazy. However, I haven't beat it yet because I'm really trying to save playing it for when I'm on planes. So I played it the whole plane. Alright. Anyways, no, I played it the whole trip to Italy, and then I played it when we went to Naples because we were on a boat, and then I played it again when we were going to Venice because we were on a plane. It's so fun. I freaking love that game, but I wanted to try something else. Skyward Sword came out for Switch a couple days ago, so maybe I'll get that. The new Zelda, well, it's not new, it's a remake, but I never played the first edition, like the original. Raf is still playing Cuphead. He has fallen in love with Cuphead, but he's on the dragon. If any of you guys have played Cuphead before, you know how hard the freaking dragon is. So he's been stuck on the dragon for like a week. And but he'll get past it eventually. I will come back to you when we have something else interesting happen. Just he's in the bathroom right now, so he can't really speak Italian to me, so I'll come back when he can. Oh, I lied. One other thing that I really want to show you, I don't know why I want to show you this, but I really, really do because I'm just so excited about it. I'm actually gonna put you on, excuse me, one second. Pardon me, don't mind. I wanted to put you on the tripod. That'd be so much easier. Okay, so I wanted to show you a couple things that I got a couple days ago. I don't have them yet, I ordered them, but I'm just so jazzed about it that I just really want to share with you. So please humor me and indulge me for a few minutes because I just really want to nerd out. So as you guys know, I love Critical Role with like every fiber of my being. I just love D&D. You know, I played D&D even before I knew what Critical Role was, before they even made Critical Role, but I played D&D for years and years, and I loved it so much. I played Pathfinder, I played 4.0, I played, I haven't played 5th edition yet because when I was playing D&D, it didn't exist. So that makes me sound old. I'm not that old, but like I know 5th edition is more new, but I was playing it like 8 years ago, something like that. It's been a very long time. I got some dice, y'all. I didn't get Critical Role dice, but I really hope that they come out with like Campaign 2 dice. Like I really want Jester dice, and I want Molly Mock dice really bad. So I really hope that they come out with Campaign 2 dice because they have Campaign 1. I found these on Etsy and I am not playing a D&D campaign at the moment, but whenever I do, Lord willing, I can play a freaking D&D campaign, like a actual campaign, like a steady one, you know, like I want to so badly, but I want to show you the dice that I got. Look at these. I don't think the camera is doing it justice, but look at these. They're sharp edge dice, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but can you see like it's like a black die with like red swirlies inside of it like that. It looks like blood. I don't know why. I am obsessed, and it's got gold flakes in there. It's by Everything Dice, and here is the listing. There is one available still. Hi.
Hi.
Ciao.
Ciao. Ciao bella.
Ciao bello, come stai?
Bene, grazie. Tu?
I'm molto bene. I'm showing them. See, I can talk in English, but you can't.
No, io parlo italiano.
Anyways, I'm gonna go. I am going to just hang out and chill. Raf's gonna play something, but we'll come back when something else interesting happens. We are having lunch now, and it looks super good. These are meatballs with some mash, and I am sitting here watching Evelyn, and I got a new game. It's an adorable little game. Look at that. It's called Cozy Grove. I like it a lot.
Sì.
Sì?
No, yeah, sì, bello, un bel gioco. Quindi, polpette al sugo, purè.
What's sugo?
Sugo, sauce.
Oh.
Polpette al sugo, purè e pane.
E pane.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito. What are you doing?
Ciao.
Ciao.
Sto sistemando il gioco.
See, I'm assuming that means you're putting the game away.
Sì.
Oh, very nice.
Sì. Sistemare.
This is the Scythe game.
Sì, scythe, falce. In italiano scythe si dice falce.
Ah. Then why didn't they just call... Oh. Never mind, I was going to say, why didn't they just call the game falce? But it's not an Italian game.
No, no. E poi sì, non lo so, è più bello in inglese.
But no, we actually played this last night. We had a few friends come over. Well, Raph had a few friends come over and play this, and we all sat and played. We were Russia. Me and Raph were Russia.
Sì.
And
La Russia.
La Russia.
Sì.
And then this is the Norse. And
I norreni.
I Norreni.
Norreni.
That's cool.
Sì.
Very nice. It's actually a really fun game if you haven't played Scythe. It's actually super cool. It's kind of like, what did you say, like World War II or something like that? Explain to me what it is in Italian.
È un gioco in un'ambientazione... È un gioco in un'ambientazione con una linea temporale parallela, alternativa. Perché ridi?
No, I don't know.
Non ridere.
Non ridere.
Sì, ridi,
no,
ridi.
I'm not laughing at you.
No, lo so.
No. I just don't know what you're saying.
È un po' difficile, un po' complicato. Comunque, 1920. 1920.
20.
1920.
1920. Oh, so you're saying a date.
Sì. 1920.
19...
Sì. 20.
20?
Sì.
1920?
Sì.
Ah, so it's set in 1920.
Sì.
But what kind of war is it set in?
È una... I've just said it in Italian.
You did?
Yeah. Like, è un'ambientazione parallela, non è storico il gioco.
Oh, it's not a real war?
No.
Ah, okay, so it's set in 1920, not a real war,
Sì.
but you're playing like you're in war, but you have mechs.
Sì, esatto.
You have
esatto,
robots.
Sì. È un po', sì. Bello.
That's super cool. So like here's this one. Each faction has their own type of robot or like mech. This one's got little cutty arms, like sides on the arms. This one is my favorite because it's like a spider looking one. It goes...
Cioè è tipo una barca.
Barca?
Barca.
Che vuol dire?
Barca nel mare. Sì.
Like a submarine?
No,
Oh, it's a
una
boat!
barca, sì.
Yeah, that's right, I forgot. So it's like a boat, but they like...
Con le gambe.
So it used to be a boat, if you can see
Sì.
that, and then they added legs to it.
Sì. Guarda che bello questo.
And then this one's really cool too.
Questo è il mio preferito.
This one's your favorite?
Sì.
And it's like, I think, was it a tank before?
No, è un mech. È proprio un
Oh,
mech,
just a
basta,
mech.
sì,
Okay,
è un
okay.
mech.
So that one's super cool. So yeah, and then there's a black one that I haven't seen before, but no one's played the black color yet. There's that, and I think actually we're having some other friends come over to do a different board game tonight. So we're having 2 board game nights in the same week, so it's super fun. Do you guys have any idea of which one you're gonna play this time?
Questo di nuovo.
Oh, same one?
Penso di sì. Penso di sì.
Okay. He said I think so. I can understand a bit, but if you ask me to like talk back, I know like 5 things. Well, actually no, I know more than that. I know up to probably like a 2-year-old. Would you say?
Sì, sì, carina.
Maybe. But anyways, I'm gonna hang out. I'm watching Critical Role at this point now, and I think we're gonna have dinner here in a little bit. We're gonna have pasta al pesto, or spaghetti al pesto. Spaghetti or farfalle? Spaghetti al pesto. I'm super excited about it. But yeah, I'll show you whenever we have dinner, or whenever the game starts, whichever happens first. I'm not entirely sure. But I'll come back to you when I have something else interesting happen. Okay, bye. What are you doing?
Spaghetti. L'altra?
Ah.
Ok.
Ah.
Sto facendo gli spaghetti al pesto.
I'm really excited. Non vedo l'ora. Means I can't wait.
Sì, non vedo l'ora, non vedo l'ora. Allora, prendiamo un po' di spaghetti. Facciamo tipo così. Facciamo così.
Are you making yours now, no? Or,
Sì, sì,
yes?
mangio pure io.
Okay. Now you break that in half, right?
No,
I'm just kidding.
no. Però io faccio così. 1, 2. Oh, sì, grazie. 1, 2.
And then it just falls in there.
Vabbè, con la forchetta.
Oh, you gotta use a fork.
Sì, con la forchetta. Sono le 5:31. Ho messo il sale nell'acqua.
Okay.
Ok, quindi l'acqua è salata.
You salt the water.
Sì, l'acqua è salata. Tu lo sai dire in italiano? Qual è?
Qual è il tuo?
La tua.
La tua? But you're a guy. Oh, but sauce.
Sì.
Okay, so qual è la tua?
Sì.
Salsa preferita?
Preferita. Sì, la mia salsa preferita dipende.
It depends on the...
Dipende dalla pasta, dipende dalla giornata.
va bene con spaghetti.
Con gli spaghetti, il ragù.
Ragu.
O il pesto.
Yeah, ragu is like classic. It's really good. What about like rigatoni?
Sì, buonissimo. No, rigatoni pure con ragù, rigatoni pomodoro e basilico, rigatoni... Anche rigatoni cacio e pepe.
Ah, ketchup. Yeah, it's good. Ketchup pepe is like cheese and pepper.
Sì, black pepper, sì.
A black pepper. Very nice. We're almost there. And here we are. Buon appetito.
Io mi muovo. Sì, allora io muovo tutti i pezzi.
Beh, tutti no, perché quando tu muovi puoi muovere tipo 2 unità alla volta.
No, io li voglio muovere tutti quanti.
E non puoi, 2 unità.
2 unità.
Le hai appena mosse, quindi questo turno, questo sarebbe il tuo movimento.
Ah, ok. No, però questi possono andare da 2, giusto?
Loro sì, possono muoversi
e allora
da 2.
io faccio... E da qua poi posso passare qua, giusto?
Dunque villaggio a fattoria e tu col passafiume no, perché tu hai da villaggio a montagna.
Allora aspetta un attimo, me lo...
Sì.
Alright you guys, it is a bit later now. As you saw in the last clip, Raph and a few friends are playing board game, and I think we're going to end the vlog here for today. But I really hope that you did enjoy it, and I hope that you enjoyed hearing Raph speak to me in Italian for the entire day. And let me tell you that we actually did this outside of filming as well, because I really want to practice more, and I know that I have to hear it and like use it in order to like retain it and like learn it and everything. So he actually did speak to me only in Italian for the entire day today. It wasn't anything super difficult. We didn't talk too much today as it was anyways, because he was getting some work stuff done and then he had friends over. We did talk a little bit, like laying on the bed just chilling earlier, but it wasn't really that much. We mostly just like hung out and like I watched Critical Role and played my new game, and he played Mirror's Edge and watched his YouTube videos. So I apologize, it wasn't like an entire video of him talking Italian to me, but just know that he did speak to me in Italian completely for the whole day. Anyways, I hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to. Follow me on Instagram because I do post here daily, and follow me on TikTok as well because I try to post as often as I can over there. But have a great rest of your night and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!